Yo, what the deal? It's your boy X.E.L. Here to drop another one for you guys, man. This one is going to be an R&B kind of walkthrough, kind of show you what I did to actually make this beat. I actually did a recording of it, but I was only recording myself instead of recording the screen, so there's no actual footage of the making of the beat. My bad. But I thought it was a really good beat, how it came out. So I'm going to try to show you what I did to kind of make all this happen. First, we started with Contact. Alright, and this is what I use. This is called Chord Genesis 2.0. This is, how do you say, like one of those chord generators. So basically if you hit like one chord, it actually plays multi. I have chords on here, so each one of these triggers these notes down here. So as you hear that, so yeah, so this has been a lifesaver for me. It has also different synths. I actually changed this to a flute, I believe. Yeah, so I changed this to a flute. You can also have a layering sound if you wanted to. It gives you bells, flutes, pads, pianos, plucks, strings, synths. Gives you an option to actually do like this, all this saturation, distortion. You can change the volume of each layer. You can turn a layer on or off. Of course, it has a ADSR. And this is the Chord Engine page where you can actually do all the Chord Engine stuff. You can learn your MIDI notes if you want to actually play out notes. So I'm going to give you an example here. Bam, there you go. This pops up on there. So you can actually have it to where all these chords will actually offset. So I can have this one start a little later and then have it turned on. Sorry about that. So and this one will go even further back. So if I hit the key, so it'll offset it. Really dope. Has also a release for the keys as well. You can actually get it to use a key trigger to strum up or down. So yeah, really dope, and gives you an option to actually transpose. You can use the octave up, or you can use it by half a note. It also has a built-in arpeggiator. You just turn this knob to turn it on. And it also gives you an option to change stuff, as you see I kind of did on here. But I don't think I used it. You can use as played, you can do up and down, have the zigzag, move in and out. Also gives you different octaves you can use and how many reps, like basically how many times you want it to kind of go up in that arpeggiator. It has a swing, duration, and a rate. You can change the rate to make it faster or slower. And this button here is my friend, record to MIDI. So basically I recorded some notes and I drag and dropped it onto another instrument to actually use it. So you just hit this record button and you record whatever you're going to record, and you just anywhere in this box here, you just kind of drag it onto the next plugin, and it'll spread out the MIDI chords. So these chords here, of course I have that on it. So all these chords here are from that plugin. So let's see here, let's kind of solo this one. So yeah, so and this guitar pluck is actually coming from IOTA Mini. So shout out to Bongonzo for that plugin. He uses it Really dope so far when I was trying to use it for the first time. Kind of just making this video, that was the first time kind of using it. Alright, so I also used it for the bass. Let's stop doing that. Oh, I actually use hybrid for the bass on this one. Real simple, nice, mesmerizing bass. And then I use Satila for my drums. So and the ones that I haven't used are not on here anymore. That's why you can't hear them, because I don't have them routed anymore. So anything I use, you'll hear. So that was Satila, and I actually did that in the step sequencer. I'm gonna shift in here and kind of see it. So this is my kicks. And the snares, hi-hats, to kind of level those out. These are the bongos. Nope, these are, yeah, part of the bongos. These are the other bongos. Nice little shimmering shear thing. Alright. So basically that's how it kind of went together. So I'm kind of go through each one of them to kind of let you hear. So the contact one, which is the flute, which is down here. It sounds like this. So I'm gonna actually put on this wave so you can kind of see the waveform. I always like to see them for some reason. So that was the strings. This was the pluck. All right, and this was the bass. And these were the drums. So yeah, so that's pretty much what I put together for this R&B track. Sorry I wasn't able to kind of go through the whole thing with you guys, but this is what it sounds like all together after it's been mixed in the console. I separated my kicks and snares, added delays, chords, reverb to the sounds, and all those things are over here. And all right, so this is what it sounds like. Let's start from the top. So pretty much that's it. If you've been through the video this far, definitely like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I'll let you know when I drop another video for Cakewalk. I'm kind of going to be going through the Cakewalk process for the rest of my YouTube videos, so that you guys can actually get used to this free software. Like I said, it's free, it's out there, so use it. That first plugin I was talking about, that Chord Genesis, there's the only thing in here that was actually like paid for in this whole entire project. Everything else was actually a free plugin of some sort or fashion. So with that said, like I said, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. It's your boy X.E.L.O. and I'm out. Yeah.